Now, ready to take control of your retirement? Setting up an AJ Bell's SIPP is easy. Head to their site and fill out the online application. Grab your national insurance number, debit card, and any details for pensions you want to transfer in. It takes about 15 minutes to complete. Now, once your account is approved, fund it with at least £500 or set up a 25 monthly direct debit. After that, you're ready to choose where to invest. AJ Bell offers a wide range from shares and bonds to ETFs and ready-made pension builders, and charges are transparent. Account fees capped at 0.25% annually, and deals start from £1.50 for funds or £5 for shares. Now, don't forget the tax works. You get 20% government relief on your contributions and additional relief if you are a higher rate taxpayer. Now, plus you can start accessing your pension from age 55, 50 cent from 2028. Now, start your journey, build your retirement pot, and you are in control of every step. If this helped, hit like and follow for more UK investing guides. Until then, I'll catch you in the next video.